Hey guys, it's Jay-Z here from Nutrisize. Welcome to another video. We can check out Mount Maurice, a fairly easy one. 2 hours walking. It's a little bit harder to find, but we've finally made it. Here with Ross, Wendy and Phil. And yeah, should be good viewing. Let's check it out.
Back down there.
Doesn't look like it's well managed at the moment. It's quite rough going. Holding up well, this sign. Let's do it. I like this boulder. That's a nice boulder. Woo. So 30 minutes in, it's absolutely magic. Myrtle wood forest. Yeah, quite easy. Great for beginners. And we shouldn't be too far away from seeing the peak of Mount Maurice. There's a very muddy bit back there, so waterproof boots and gaiters would be recommended, especially for that bit. See the ocean now. Mount Burrow, sticking it out. Ben Nevis, Ben Lomond that way. Nice. Okay, on the summit of Mount Maurice, you can see Flinders Island over the back there, Mount Cameron. You've got Mount Victoria, Mount Albert next to it. You've got Mount Saddleback, Ben Nevis, Ben Lomond, Ragged Jack, and Mount Burrow over there, Mount Arthur, and yeah, you got the northeast coastline there. Bridport would be over here somewhere, and yeah, absolutely magic. Nice little walk. It is quite muddy this time of year, so good boots and gaiters are highly recommended. But yeah, good spot to have lunch, and it's not too overcast, so you can see all the peaks, and the sun's coming out too. So no, really rate this one, especially for beginners. This is a good one to get started on. And yeah, it's on the Abel's list, so another one ticked off. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.